Hey, what's going on, guys? So today, I'm be doing a little update. This is part one of my build series for my do-it-yourself digital power supply. So the first thing I've got here is my little PCB. So this little thing right here is going to take in a voltage from my transformer, which is just over here. It's this little guy. It's a 24 volt, 1.5 amp transformer. It's going to rectify that voltage, and it's going to put out a couple voltages that come out in this pin. So one of these pins are ground, one gives a 5 volt, one gives 12 volt, and one gives a 24 volt. Now, just a heads up, when I was doing this, I used a very big capacitor. I used a 6800 UF capacitor, and when I put 24 volts in there, it turns out 24 volts AC wave has peaks. And because when I rectify it, this capacitor actually smooths out where those peaks are. So right now, I get about 37 volts DC on the output of this. Now obviously that'll go down as current is supplied through my transformer and through the capacitor, but that's pretty high right now, so I think I can get a little more voltage than I expected out of this. Anyway, so those little pins are going to go to this guy. So this may look a little bit complicated, it's not too bad, just a lot of wires. Essentially what I got here is my little Arduino measuring voltages and actually outputting voltages based off this little guy who isn't plugged in. It's just a rotary encoder because I didn't want to buy one of those 10-turn pots. Way too expensive. So I got one of those guys. You can set the range to whatever. It's looking to be very accurate. And then I got, an LM317T with some other stuff in there. And essentially this thing is what's powering. I got a nice LCD here to display the stats. But I'm going to be putting this on a PCB in the next couple of days, and I'll be wiring it up, and I'll keep you guys updated, but so far it's looking pretty good. It's fairly accurate. The output voltage is good to like millivolt. I feel like it'll get much more accurate when I put it on a PCB. Breadboards are kind of iffy as resistance, and things aren't always quite touching down there, so we'll see. Hopefully it works out well. I'm using an Arduino 328P as my main brains for it, so it's looking good so far. I just found one of these little guys in my drawer, and all he does is you can program the Arduino microchip there, that little guy, without everything, and you can just plug this into USB and it works fantastic. So I'm really happy for this guy, very excited. Hopefully it works out well. Anyways guys, that's just a quick little update. I'll keep you guys updating as I put more into a PCB form. And anyways, yeah guys, I'll see you later. Bye.